When God wants to make a man powerful, he don't crown him first, he breaks him. First, he strips away your comfort, your pride, your plans, till all that's left is what's real. That ain't punishment, that's training. See, pain don't come to destroy you, it comes to stretch what's weak inside you. So you can carry the weight of your destiny, every bad day, every betrayal, every heartbreak. That's God molding you piece by piece. And you don't grow in comfort, you grow in chaos. The pressure that's breaking you now, that's the same pressure that'll make you unstoppable. So when you're down on your knees thinking it's over, it ain't the end, it's the rebuild. Most people quit when it hurts. But the chosen ones, they walk through the fire till their purpose starts glowing. Every tear, every trial, every sleepless night is proof that God ain't done yet. If you agree with me, drop 100 in the comments.